In today's video of Season 2 of Art Fiber, I will show you 6 foods made with clay. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is well by God's grace. The pizza box you see in my hand right now is a box made entirely of cardboard that I made myself. I made the pizza you see inside using clay. The shining layer you can see on top of the pizza I made using glue. Now the clay you can see in my hand is very ordinary clay. I made logo the top of the second box using clay and glue. I used glue again to make the burger shining inside and outside. The 4 clay dishes I made last time were donuts, rainbow biscuits, hot dogs, and sandwiches. Here only glue layer is used to the top of donuts and hot dogs. In fact, no matter how good the clay is, if you don't have any hand skills, you can't make a good craft. The main purpose of the video was to give you ideas about making food with clay. Hope you liked the video. That's it for today. See you in the next new video.